having so much trouble inspiring my students to be more creative. I've literally tried everything, but nothing seems to work.
Have you heard about MIRO?
MIRO? What's that?
Look, I'll show you.
With MIRO, you can instantly visualize the idea of students, make the conclusions, and transfer the ideas into some nice graphs and visuals. You can record all ideas into different maps or make diagrams out of them. Then the result or discussion is much more understandable and better to read than comments in words or PPT. As the tool is fully digital UPI, also it has a use for remote brainstorming, which is very useful in case there is, for example, some discussion on a particular topic for the class, for example, a place of a school trip.
So, what do you think?
It's pretty useful. I like it. Thank you.